10 Best AI Art Generators. Feeling the effects of artificial intelligence, AI, not only the commercial and medical communities. It's also ushering in a new age of AI-generated art, which is having a significant impact on the creative sectors. The accessibility of AI technology and tools is fostering the development of a new generation of creatives. There is widespread fear that AI will eventually replace all human workers in every industry, even the creative ones like the arts, media, and entertainment. However, this is not at all the case. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a useful complement that may help artists push their work in unexpected directions. Anyone with access to these AI creation tools may make works of art, many of which lend themselves well to being transformed into NFTs. Here are the top 10 artificial intelligence-based art generators for your perusal and enjoyment. 1. Night Cafe. When it comes to artificial intelligence art generators, Night Cafe is a household name. It's recognized for being more advanced than other generators in terms of algorithms and customization possibilities, but it's also quite user-friendly for those who have never used a generator before. Night Cafe operates on a credit system, however, the free tier is rather large, and there are several ways to earn credits via engagement with the community. Some of Night Cafe's most prominent characteristics include: all of your works are entirely yours. It has more algorithms than any other generator. Plenty of options for power users. Participate in the community and get points. There are many social aspects, and the user community is active and supportive. Put together sets of your works. Download all of your pictures at once. Make some movies. You should sell prints of your work. All of the AI art generators offered have different underlying algorithms, but Night Cafe stands out due to its extensive collection of additional features. Night Cafe is offering a 5% discount on all credit packs and pro memberships with the promo code UNITY. 2. DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2, an AI picture generator created by OpenAI, ranks well on our ranking of the top 10 AI art generators. Using AI, photorealistic photographs may be made in a matter of minutes. The second iteration of DALL-E has already shown outstanding promise. OpenAI claims the software may be used to make artwork, develop goods, and think of innovative business strategies. The intuitive design of DALL-E 2 makes it feasible for anybody to use AI to produce professional-grade artwork. Because of this, not only can experienced artists benefit from DALL-E 2, but so can novices. The paintbrush in DALL-E 2 is one of the program's strongest features since it lets you freely modify an image's tonal range and lighting effects. The paintbrush tool, for example, lets you build elaborate pictures out of numerous layers, each of which may have its own set of parameters adjusted to suit your needs. Some of DALL-E 2's most notable new features are as follows: quickly create photorealistic photographs. Make some pictures. Make something up. User-friendly design. Modify images using a layered approach. Three. Deep Dream Generator. Google's Deep Dream Generator is also a top-tier artificial intelligence art generator. Deep Dream is a web-based application that uses artificial intelligence to generate photorealistic artwork. Deep Dream uses an artificial neural network that has been taught using many thousands of pictures. Easy to use, all you have to do is submit a picture, and the application will create a new one that is based on the original. The ability to produce visuals that seem like they're from diverse locations and eras makes Deep Dream very useful for artists. You may use the program to produce a photorealistic picture of anything from animals to landscapes. And on top of all that, you can choose from 3 distinct looks with Deep Dream: Deep Style, Thin Style, and Deep Dream. You may get a preview of the final product once you've selected a style. Some of Deep Dream's most notable characteristics are as follows: produces photorealistic output using artificial intelligence, an image-trained neural network, various approaches to painting, thematic groupings for pictures, 3 distinct methods. Four. Artbreeder. Artbreeder, an artificial intelligence (AI) picture quality enhancer, is one of the most well-known art producers out there. Machine learning is at the heart of this program, which allows you to generate several iterations of a picture. On this program, you may make landscapes, anime characters, portraits, and other types of artwork. The ability to alter physical attributes such as hair and eye color is among the additional features. Images may also be transformed into moving cartoon characters. Among Artbreeder's many advantages is its extensive library of thousands of graphics and file management features. The output may be saved as a JPG or PNG image file. Some of Artbreeder's most notable characteristics are as follows. Correction of image flaws. Create a number of various iterations of a picture. Scenery, anime characters, and commission portraits. File drawings in several files. File types, JPEG and PNG. 5. Big Sleep. Big Sleep is another AI image generator that can create photorealistic pictures from start. It's as simple to use as any of the other AI-powered art makers out there. There are simply a few simple actions required to make the realistic-looking photos. Big Sleep is written in Python and generates images with the help of a neural network. When given information, the software generates a picture as its result. A generative adversarial network is used to do this, GAN. The GAN's generator model generates the picture, while the discriminator model determines whether or not it is genuine. In the long run, this aids Big Sleep's ability to produce very lifelike visuals. Some of Big Sleep's most prominent characteristics are as follows. Authentic, made-from-scratch visuals. Easy to use. Utilizes GAN Python-based. 6. DeepEye. DeepEye was launched in 2016 with the intention of bringing AI to the masses by means of free and public software. Realistic photos may be made with its help, thanks to the suite of tools it provides. With DeepEye, you may make as many original photos as you desire. You may alter the level of detail, the hues and textures, and much more. DeepEye can instantly create a resolution-free vector picture from textual art if you write it in. Styligan and Biggin are only two of the additional photorealistic image-making tools provided by DeepEye. By using the Cartoogan program, you can easily transform the photos into cartoons. Some key aspects of DeepEye are as follows. Free, publicly accessible programming code. There are several realistic image-making tools available. Swap out parts of each picture with new ones. Use Cartoogan to make your own animations. 7. StarAI. StarAI is an automated artistic creation system that can produce NFTs from its output. The user's participation is not necessary for anyway. With the help of a machine learning system, it can analyze pictures. StarAI's biggest feature is that you get to own all of the photographs you make with it, whether you utilize them for personal or commercial purposes. Its primary value lies in the fact that it may be used as a free NFT generator. Although technology is always developing, some very stunning works of art have been produced using the software so far. Some of StarAI's most prominent characteristics include input picture into an automatic generator, zero user input, text to image, functions as a no-cost NFT maker.
8. Photor. When it comes to artificial intelligence programs, Photor is among the top options for making NFT artwork. Generating high-quality artwork in a matter of minutes with no effort thanks to the generator's cutting-edge artificial intelligence algorithms is now a reality. In addition to being one of the easiest to use, it is a powerful tool for making NFT artwork. A simple picture upload and style choice will have your image transformed into art. Easy layering and customization are also available. You don't have to sign up for anything to use the tool or get the artwork. That's one of the many ways it stands apart from similar offerings. The following are some of Photor's most prominent characteristics. Quickly make NFT artwork. Easy to use. Alternative formats and editing. 9. Runway ML. With Runway ML, you can use the machine learning models you've trained to produce photos. Models may be constructed in a number of different methods, each of which generates a realistic-looking picture, using this application. Moreover, Runway ML may be used to make 3D models and animated GIFs. Runway ML has a built-in video editor that lets you swap out video file backgrounds if you're working on a video project. Runway ML uses a variety of methods, including relative motion analysis, to evaluate your actions. Additionally, it includes built-in object recognition that can be used right away to quickly and accurately label items in still photos or moving footage. Some of Runway ML's most prominent characteristics are as follows. Work together on tasks. Produce convincing visuals. Make 3D graphics and moving images. Software for editing videos. Determining the position and velocity of an object using relative motion. 10 Best AI Art Generators. A number of different sectors are feeling the effects of artificial intelligence, AI, not only the commercial and medical communities. It's also ushering in a new age of AI-generated art, which is having a significant impact on the creative sectors. The accessibility of AI technology and tools is fostering the development of a new generation of creatives. There is widespread fear that AI will eventually replace all human workers in every industry, even the creative ones like the arts, media, and entertainment. However, this is not at all the case. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a useful complement that may help artists push their work in unexpected directions. Anyone with access to these AI creation tools may make works of art, many of which lend themselves well to being transformed into NFTs. Here are the top 10 artificial intelligence-based art generators for your perusal and enjoyment.